What is up, guys? Welcome back. Random footage from Ron here. Sorry, it's been a little bit since I posted. I've been a little bit busy. Ended up selling my boat. Didn't really get used much. You know how it goes, cars over everything. So today is going to be a decently busy day. Black Skyline, I'm taking to my new storage unit. I'm working out a deal with somebody who might possibly buy it as a drift car. He's a good friend of me. He's a good friend of Sellers Racing Performance, the shop that I use often. So we'll see. If he does, then we'll make some content on that. But it's going to storage unit. I need to get the hell out of my face, out of my way. And car trailer. Why do I have a car trailer? Red Skyline is at Sellers Racing Performance. I'll say it like that because my brother and wife love it. It's there getting a custom charge pipe built. It was kind of a rush. I just had issues with it, and my intake filter started melting. So they also made a new intake pipe. So we're gonna pick that up around 10. So figured do this first. Got to swing by the DMV and get the boat title for the new owner. And then we will be on the way to Sellers. So, all right, I'll check in a bit once we get the car loaded up and are on the way to the storage unit. All right, so I know I didn't really show much of me doing anything, but more for safety and privacy. I'm not gonna show storage unit numbers and blah, blah, blah. But that was relatively difficult. I've never loaded a car and unloaded a car all by myself before. Got it done successfully. Now I'm getting the block off and getting the truck ready, and we're gonna go back to my house because one, I forgot all the tools I'll need just in case I fuck something up or it gets fucked up during tuning. So I'm gonna do that, and then it's off to pick up the Red Skyline. So I'll check back in with you guys in some sort of future time. All right, just finished paying them the bill at Sellers Racing Performance. Got the car, about to load it on the trailer. They even did me a favor and re-cleared the hood for me. Oh my God, it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna try the old Stradman effect, make this way easier than you guys watch me load it. So let's see, hold the camera steady, and well, I kind of fucked up, guys, my bad. I forgot to film some parts. So I'm down here at the shop. The car just got put onto the dyno. We've been busy. There's been every dyno day is just absolutely chaotic. So the car's off the dyno, our car's off onto the dyno. And I'm walking over and I'll film a few shots, just kind of like the last video. Then when we're all done, I'll talk about it, give you the results, and when I get home, I'll just have my brothers maybe go for a reaction video so you guys can see everything that the car's doing and stuff. So all right, I'll get you guys some videos of it pulling. Well, he is still tinkering away with the magic fingers. It made 370, 350. So it's pretty good. God, that shit is insanely loud. I hope the mic can even pick that shit up. Well, guys, I'm hot, I'm sweaty. The car is done, it's loaded. It made 375, 350 final. I took it for a quick spin. Almost got pulled over. I need to slow down, but the car's loaded, so I'm gonna get it home and get it unloaded, and then probably once my whole family gets home from work and stuff, I'll do a couple reaction videos, and then I'll have them hold the camera so you guys can kind of see what it's like. The car is an absolute rocket. So all right, thanks for watching so far, and I'll check back in a little bit. All right, guys, so we have been home for a little bit. I got my brother Sam cruising with me. We'll do a little reaction a little bit. I had to load up a bunch of shit in the car. We're heading to meet up with Larry, and we're gonna take all the not all, but both our 32s out and go cruise for a little bit. So We'll probably check in at some random point during the drive, and you'll probably just see Sam, you know, with his whole face sunk back because all of that crazy horsepower hits him, you know. But all right, I'll check back in a bit.
Oh my god.
Well, guys, we're at Larry's shop. This is one of the coolest cars at the shop right here. There's Larry and Sam filming Tic Tacs. Oh shit, yeah, you don't care about any of this. I'm just kidding. We're down here. We got all the cars lined up. Cleaning the shop, cleaning the cars. We're just hanging out. About to start going on the streets and ripping. We'll get some more shots, probably some rollers of the black Skyline and stuff. So I just kind of wanted to show you the lineup real quick. Larry, the professional photographer. But, all right, guys, I'll check in a little bit. What is up, guys? All right, so it's been a long day. I didn't really get much footage, you know, when we were cruising. You know, it was kind of hard to get footage from my car from inside the car. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to get some more content made. We did do like a car wash, but the car wash footage, like, it just didn't really come out as good as I wanted it to. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys, you know, like how the engine bay is looking currently, so you guys can see after the turbo and everything else. And then, yeah, that's it. So got brand new charge pipe and everything done, brand new intake done, new turbo, new boost controller done. That just prettied everything up. I added the timing belt cover so no bolts or anything ever gets dropped by the timing belt. Future plans, I will be redoing this side from the intercooler up, new intercooler, adding a blow-off valve because right now it doesn't have a blow-off valve, and probably powder coating all the piping. So I'm super happy with the car. Again, Sellers Racing Performance, they do all the work for me. They re-cleared my hood for me, just, you know, while they had it there, which was awesome. And Freddie was spec tuned. You guys know him. Everybody knows who he is. He's the best tuner out there, probably. I don't know tunes, but he does a great job on my shit. So there's a sticker. There's a reason it's on the car. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Instagram, Skyline_Ron. I post a lot more stuff on there. Obviously, it's easier than YouTube. So, all right. Thanks. Peace.